Friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on Samsung tab. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on the setting. Okay, after that you have to scroll on the down and click on here the display. Okay, click on display. When you move on it, here on the third option you are going to find the screen timeout, so click here. After that, here you are going to find the some are seconds and some are the minutes. Okay, so if you want to set the timing, just click from here any. Suppose I click on 5 minutes and here it has been selected on 5 minutes and the screen will be timeout on 5 minutes. Okay, after the 5 minutes. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.